Are you indecisive and in need of new passwords because you have the same one for every website? Well, today you'll be making your very own custom password generator. So let us commence forth. And just a preview, by the end of this video you'll be making a program that looks like this. The length of the password, let's say 25. Yes, we want punctuation, yes, numbers. That's the end result. Alright, to start everything off, we have two files. One is passwordgenerator.py and the other one is art.py, which is, it's not really necessary, but I'm just trying to make the program look better. So there's this link I'm going to put in the description. It's basically ASCII art, and whatever text you put in there, it's going to transform it into ASCII art, and you can just put it in your program and it looks quite good. And if you're wondering what this is right here, it's just, it basically just turns this string into color, which is nice. So first we have to import our logo, and then the string module, and also the random one. And that's everything I have to import. Next we make the make password function with three parameters: length, punctuation is true, and numbers is true. And basically what this equals true thing is, it's a default parameter, so we don't have to input anything on this second and third argument. It will automatically just be true unless we change it to false. So we're gonna make an empty string here. That's where the password's gonna be. First I'm gonna bring in the letters and numbers and punctuation. So now we have these three variables. We're gonna reference letters into the chars variable, which stands for characters, and if the user wants punctuation and numbers, we're just gonna add it onto this string chars. It's gonna make it easier for us to generate the random password. So if punctuation is true, then chars, you add on to chars punctuation. If numbers is true, then we add numbers to chars. So now we're gonna make a for loop to keep on adding characters into the password string until the length of the password is equal to the length that the user said they wanted. We do that with for I in range 1 and length password plus equals random dot choice chars. It's going to choose a random character from the variable chars, and then we just print your password is, I just added color to the string. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And that's it, the function is done. Now we print art.art in order to show the logo of the program. So we need to get the user input, which will be fairly simple. User length, you can call it whatever you want, is int input. What should the length of the password be? So for the punctuation, and we need to use dot lower to turn the user's input into lowercase. And one more, user num is input. Do you want numbers? And now we need to check if the user put Y or N to check if they want punctuation or like digits. So if user, so if it's set to N, we need it false, obviously, and else we just turn that into true. So we're rewriting the variable. It's not a string anymore, it's boolean. It's either false or true, so don't confuse that. User num equals N, then we change it to false. The same as the last time, user num is true if they typed Y. And now, very last step, we just call the function. So make password. So we need the length, that's going to be user length, and use a punctuation, and last use a num. And that's finished. Very quick and simple program. So let's see how it looks. Password generator. What should the length of the password be? Let's say, what, 10. Do you want punctuation? Yes. Do you want numbers? Yes. So that's it. And it's formatted, it all looks nice. Of course you can put as many characters as you want. Yes, yes. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. So if you want to talk with me or others in the community, you can join the Discord server, which is going to be linked in the description. And I also made a Discord bot, which it only has a few commands, but you can play around with it if you want. And yeah, peace.